Hi guys, welcome to Art of Food Friends. We went unknown place near to Sivamogga second day. Seriously, it's awesome and wonderful and real adventure because that location you never go to get easily. That roads are very difficult and bus it's not possible. Four wheeler it's not easy. Two wheeler always good man. Then another one, that location and route is not going to help your map. You have to work as a stranger and a local guy. So we asked with local guys. He helped with the local. Those guys helped and get those place. Seriously awesome. There is no trophy because no one is know that place is there. And seriously awesome. It's trekking only. It's waterfalls. Really awesome and fun also, man. Let's go. Where are you going?
Hi, we are going Belkal Theertha Falls.
Belkari?
Belkal Theertha Falls.
Where it's come?
It's come Kollur near. Kollur to 24 kilometers.
24 kilometer. How many kilometer trekking is there?
Totally 2.5 into 2. Total 5 kilometers trekking. You will enjoy the falls.
Seriously?
Seriously.
I think before you something eat. This one. These are fruits, na? Where you get it?
We have this one. We get it on forest.
Forest gift. See?
Nature
Monkey.
C. Vitamin C. Yeah.
Vitamin C. This is umbrella queen, madam.
Yeah.
This here.
Because it's very hot.
What hot?
for corona.
Weather is very hot.
Oh my god.
Almost binky hot.
Binky hot.
Binky hot. ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾಟ್.
ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ ಲೆಮನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿ ಇನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದು? ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನೋ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋಟದಿಂದ ಗದ್ದಿರೋದು ಇದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಹೌದು, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪರದ ಸ್ವತ್ತನ್ನ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ದೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಧಾರಾಳವಾಗಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಯಾರೀಗ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಿನ್ನೋಕೋಣ.
ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಂಗೆ ಮಕ ಕಿವುಚ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಇವಾಗ.
ಇವರೇ ತಿನ್ನಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಬೀಜ ಹೋಗಿತಾರೆ.
ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸರ್?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ಹುಳಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹುಳಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅದನ್ನ
ಕೈಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು.
ಹಿಂಗನ್ನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಏನು ಬರೋದು? ಕೋಳಿ ಸೋಡನಾ?
ಗೋಲಿ ಸೋಡವಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಸೋಡಾ ಗೋಲಿ ಸೋಡಾ. ಹಾಂ,
ಹುಳ ಹುಳ
ಹುಳ್ಳಣ್ಣ
ಹೌದು.
ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ ಇದೆ.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹುಳ.
ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹುಳ್ಳಣ್ಣ. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
I'm saying why this waterfall always falls from top.
So you want bottom of Theertha?
Sir?
You want bottom of Theertha?
No.
Nothing.
God.
Already you tired. Go. I'm sitting in jungle near Sivamaga. I think still 1 kilometer need to go. Already I'm tired. I don't have water. I'm waiting for another trucker. Say something to my YouTube channel.
You're great, you're going good. All the best for your channel. You're doing great job.
Thank you. Water?
Yeah, I have.
ಓನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್
ಹೋಗಿ ನೀನೇನದು ಸಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಇವಾಗಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು?
ಬ್ಲಡ್
ಇವಾಗಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್ only. Hello madam.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
I hope you really enjoyed our video. It's really like adventure and you're not able to take part there, and I share the location in below, so it's going to help you, and you can ask with local guys. Those guys are help to reach those places. Day 1 we spent with Kodajatri, and day 2 we went Belkal Tita. So Belkal Tita I shared the full detail there and previous video, and shared full detail with which route you have to go and kilometer. I shared in full detail in previous video. Those links also I shared there below, so if you like you can go and you can watch it. It's 400 kilometer from Bangalore to Kodajatri. It's a high kilometer, so it's not able to reach within few hours. So we've planned 2 days. So you guys are planned 2 days or 3 days, but 1 day is not going to work out. You're not able to see more places. And day 2 we spent Belkal Theertha and returned Bangalore. Approximately, not approximately, whole 858.9 kilometer I covered. And road condition is really worst, so if you are going to plan it, take care. You can plan traveling in daytime. It's going to lot of pain. It's really worst because of road and bumps. It's going to jump only. I did lot of stunt also, so it's going to your body pain, lot of it's struggle man. It's really go to tired, so you have to plan at daytime, so go yearly, enjoy it lot. If you really like our video, give likes, comment your thoughts, or share a comment, and subscribe channel and press the bell icon also. Thank you guys.